What's up, everybody? We're back eating some food. I couldn't be more excited to share some recipes with you. If you did the 3-day fall juice cleanse with me, congratulations. I'm proud of you. It's not easy to drink juice for 3 straight days, but it's beneficial for the body, so we have to do it every once in a while. But now we're back to eating some food, so I'm going to share some recipes with you, and this one is one of my favorites. It's the vegan plant-based crunch wrap. I used to love going to Taco Bell to get the crunch wrap, so this is how you can make it at home veganized. So for those wondering what seitan is, it's textured vegetable protein, and it's one of the best options you can use when getting protein in on a plant-based diet. One block, which is what I just crumbled into that pan, contains about 60 to 70 grams of protein. This sauce I'm making is the game changer for this recipe. It's a little bit of sriracha, lime, vegan mayo, and coconut yogurt. It makes for the perfect topping for the crunch wraps, and I'll leave that in the description along with the rest of the ingredients. So for those of you that have been attending the lives recently, you know that I just finished my ebook, my recipe book, Plant-Based for the Soul, and I'm super excited to share that with you. You can get it now through the link in my bio. There's over 50 plant-based recipes, everything from juices, smoothies, what I like to call first meals or breakfast, salads. You have entrees, snacks, everything that I've been doing the last 6 years, and I'm so excited to share it with you. I'll see you in the next video.